Menteri Ketenat Pule Puthi Urakam Sangma Ulapan Benabak Sorkar Jela Kala Pyllait Yaka Baibam Jong ki Samla Pule Scheduled Tribe Halaki Jong ki Siew Katkum ke Jingdan Jong ke Pisa na Ketenat Trikam ke Sorkar Pedeng Ula ong ba om kumbalong haki por balalet ke bayadei bat ke Jing Pyllait ke batang Sien Pelan ke Sien jam ke bamenta ke penti kenai ke Jing kentup lang ke bayar bat ke babiang. Menteri Ulapan Pauru banalor ke skim Post Matric Scholarship ke bala kersaan da ke Sorkar Pedeng ke jelasan kan Pyllait ya ke Chief Minister Scholarship ban kersaan syushu ki Samla Pule ki bapule haki kerdan bachelor.
That many has not done their homework well, and before they sit for any examination, everybody should do their homework well at home. Number one, it's just a misunderstood, right? So the ministry released in a installment. Earlier there are 66,000 students beneficiary for the umbrella scholarship. When the ministry released first installment, we used to give full amount to, suppose there is a total of 66,000, we used to give maybe first installment for whole amount to the 20,000. The rest 40,000 have to wait. It may delay again. So this time the ministry has, as per the fund availability, we are giving in a installment basis to all the beneficiary equally. Then as and when the ministry will release, we will continue other the next two or three installment, and they will receive the same amount as they receiving in the past. Number one. Number two, somebody has ever talking about a Sien scholarship. This process is to initiate officially. We will give a formal notification for the registration for the Sien scholarship. As of now, Sien scholarship is yet to initiate the process. That's all.
So till now that CMs are sent
Not
to
yet,
the account of the
not yet. The process is yet to start. So we will give a formal notification for the registration. Of course, the same thing is only, but we are yet to initiate. But yeah, that's it.
So when is it likely to start?
Maybe very soon, and we will start the process at the earliest from now. And they will receive the same amount from the umbrella estate, that is from the Tribal Ministry, Government of India. And in addition to that, another 6,000 per beneficiary from the state, from the CM sponsor, scholarship for all the students across the state. Yeah.
So this
Initiated only just few days back, 2-3 days back, we have initiated. So we will be giving to all of them, all of those who don't have any issue with the bank and the account issue. Suppose I have to return again. Earlier, whenever we received the installments released from the ministry, we used to give full amount to certain beneficiary. Suppose if it is 60,000, we used to give whatever we received from the ministry, we used to give full amount to the first 20,000. The rest 40,000 have to wait for another installment. But this time, whatever the amount is available, we are just giving equally for all as per the fund availability from the ministry in the state government. So therefore, whenever we will receive the other instruction from the ministry, we will credit again. And we will continue. I think in next 2-3 installment, we will complete the process.
So this in the first tranche, that was
Because I don't know the exact amount of the ministry amount is released, but whatever amount released from the ministry, we are crediting to the beneficiary account. But for another some 6,000, 7,000 beneficiary, they have some issues with the bank account, other links. So otherwise, the rest is okay.
that's why the confusion.
Yeah, there was a confusion. So there was no earlier they used to receive 20,000, 30,000, 15,000, right, once. But this time they will receive this same amount, but in maybe 3 times, or 2 times, or 4 times like this. So there's a difference. But they will receive the same amount. In addition to that, they will receive another 6,000 from the CM sponsors. Scholarship from the state government.